Hi there. My name is Anna. I am 6 years old. I live in Orlando, Florida. I go to kindergarten every day. I have a big dog named Buster. My favorite color is blue. I love playing with Legos and eating pizza. I like to swim in the pool. It is fun.
Hello. My name is Chloe. I am 19 years old. I am from Seattle, Washington. I am a student at the University of Washington. I study biology. I am single. In my free time, I like to drink coffee and read books. I also love hiking in the mountains. I have one brother and one sister. Nice to meet you.
Hi. I'm Sarah. I am 25 years old. I live in Austin, Texas. I work as a graphic designer in a small office. I am not married. I love music and I play the guitar. My hobbies are cooking and photography. I like to take photos of nature. I want to travel to New York one day. English is my favorite language.
Hello, everyone. My name is David. I am 41 years old. I live in Chicago, Illinois. I am a manager at a bank. I am married and I have 2 children, a son and a daughter. We have a cat. I like watching baseball on TV. My hobby is gardening. I like to work in my yard on weekends. It is very relaxing.
Now, let's practice. Listen to the questions and the answers. What is your name? My name is Anna. What is your last name? My last name is Miller. Can you spell it? Yes. M-I-L-L-E-R. Where are you from? I am from the United States. Where do you live? I live in Orlando, Florida. How old are you? I am 6 years old. Do you have any brothers or sisters? I have one brother. What is your hobby? My hobby is playing with Legos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.